Number 8, we're looking to find the volume. This is a composite figure, and this composite figure is made up of two things. The first one is the cylinder, which is just this piece, right? And then the other piece would be the cone part itself, all right? So this would be the two pieces that we're looking for. So what you should try to do is find the individual pieces, then just add them together, right? So that's what we're gonna do, add these two. So let's find the cylinder first. The volume of this cylinder is defined as pi r squared times height. And then this is a cone, so volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r squared times height, right? And we know that r here is 3, so 3 squared, and the height is 10, so this is 9 times 10, which is 90 pi. So that is the volume of the cylinder. And the volume of the cone, it is 1/3. And here we know that the height was 5. The radius was the same as before, which was 3 squared. So this is 9. 3 squared is 9 divided by 3 times 5. So this is 15 pi. Okay. So this was 90 pi, and this is 15 pi. So together, the total here, the total volume would be 90 pi plus 15 pi. And that is 105 pi.